You good?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? So today is a pretty big day. Today something's gonna happen.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Shooting through this. All right. So yesterday I got the new cam sensor for the M52. I had to put an M51 in it because, like I said before, the Megasquirt doesn't like the Hall style sensor, likes the VR style sensor, which the M50 is. So I spent the time soldering in all the wires for it because I did have to solder the cam sensor wires in it because I never finished it because I was being lazy. And Derek's been here, causing a bunch of trouble.
Hey,
you look so happy.
I'm always happy.
Finishing this up, but screw it. I mean, the title probably ruined it anyways. We're going to pick up another car today. Now, it's a weird situation because you guys are probably not mad at me. The last thing I need right now is another car, but a friend of mine, he's had this car as a project for a little while now, and I think he gave up on it. He's just completely over it. We've all been there, and he just wanted to get rid of it, and he offered it to me at a really, really low price, so I couldn't say no. I decided why not and grab the car and either make some money on it, or honestly, Steffi really wants the car. And so I'm thinking about putting this car together for Steph for next season. She has her Miata now and she loves it, but she's really, really pumped on this car. And we'll see how it goes. I don't want to set anything in stone right off the bat because you guys tend to hold it towards me. So as of right now, I'm just picking it up because it's an insane deal. And either way, I'm either gonna sell it, make some money on it, or give it to Steph and make her happy. So it's gonna be a win-win. I have to unload the Saturn, which blew the hell up, by the way. If you didn't see yesterday's video, the Saturn blew up. Like, what the hell? I just put brakes on the damn thing. I didn't think the thing would ever go, but I mean, it was my fault. But all right, let's unload this thing, get a hitch up to the truck, and go pick up this car because I gotta be there soon. All right, it's ready to come off. Derek thinks we should drive it off with no ramp. He says it's not worth putting them down. What do you think?
Oh, I'd do it. Send it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should I back out to the grass?
100%.
Okay. Derek.
Yeah.
If you somehow can get it next to the GTI, do that.
Okay.
Happens, bro. It still runs.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Derek. Oh! That was the grossest noise. I think you do another run. Oh my god. Let her eat. Going.
Yeah, this thing's a champ, dude.
There it is. She's locked up.
She's done.
Was that full throttle the whole time?
I never lifted.
Locked up.
That sounds healthy.
You gonna buy some more dirt bikes?
I'm gonna buy some more dirt bikes.
Sick.
Meet back here in roughly 2.5 hours, probably.
Perfect.
Peace out.
All right, guys. So got like an hour drive ahead of me during rush hour, so it's probably gonna end up being like 2 freaking hours, but it's gonna be worth it. You guys know I have no idea what kind of car it is, but it's gonna be cool. It's different, kind of. I don't know. Let's just go get this damn thing. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I literally just bought a Miata. I didn't think I'd ever go buy a Miata, but I just did. And of course, it's a 99 NB, so it's a second gen Miata. When we get back to the shop, I'm gonna go fully through the car and show you every inch of it. And holy crap, is this car beautiful. I did not expect this car to be this nice. It is so clean. I mean, it's covered in dirt and dust and everything, but the thing only has like 33,000 miles on it. The car is like brand new. I kind of came in buying this car honestly to just make money off it. I was gonna put it back together and flip it because I got it for quite a crazy price. But after seeing this thing, Steph is literally gonna fall in love. I already know it. She's gonna be obsessed. She's literally gonna go crazy over this car, and I have to give it to her. This has to be her car. Steph does everything for me, and she's like the most perfect human being. So Steph is getting this car. It's happening. So we officially have just picked ourselves up a car for Steffi. So I'm gonna get back to the shop in about an hour. It's a long drive, and Steph should be coming down a little bit after me. So I can't wait to see her reaction because, like I said, she's literally gonna freak out. So, all right. Let's hit the road. I'm so pumped on this thing, and let's get back to the shop. All right, we're finally back. I think Arjun's here. Always the first one to greet me. You Tukey. You excited to see this thing?
Yeah. Let's dig in.
Look how clean the paint is.
Is there a motor in it?
Yes.
That was very skeptical.
The black gut?
Dude, full black gut. It's so nice.
Is it leather?
Look at the cluster.
Oh, damn. Damn, it's clean as fuck underneath.
Is it?
Oh my god. There isn't even like a thing of surface rust.
Oh yeah, look at it. It looks brand new. The Japanese cars are always so clean underneath.
The exhaust is barely rusted. It's still fucking silver.
Wow, there's a lot of purple in this. There's a lot of flake in this. Holy crap.
I guess I know what I'm buffing.
I didn't realize there was this much flake in this paint. That's nuts.
Yo, let's watch it this weekend.
It looks purple and then blue.
And I'll buff it.
And I don't know about these headlight covers, if that's like a stock thing, or I don't think so. I've never seen that. But it has
these are accessory options.
It has a projector.
I could be wrong though.
The previous owner, he pulled the original engine out of it. He was actually gonna put a 1J in it, which is insane. He got it in there, and I think plans changed, so he got rid of the 1J and he put the stock engine right back in it, and that's as far as it got. I hope I have most of the parts. He gave me like a whole box of parts, and we're gonna try and put this thing back together, get it running and driving, because it deserves to, because it's beautiful. So we got this thing off the trailer. Now there's so much dirt on it. It's literally, I think it's probably like 30 degrees. It's probably 40 degrees right now. It's freezing, but I just want to spray the dirt off it because everyone keeps touching it. It's gonna scratch it, and I want Steffi to see without the dirt on. So.
Gonna shine.
So the water's like lukewarm, but I guess it's better than freezing. Sick. Here we go. Good old rub and scratch.
You see that? My shoes are soaked.
I can't wait to see this with the sun on it. Steph just got here. We're gonna go record her reaction. Oh.
Yes, I am with
You're not Steph.
Jimmy Oaks. I am Skip.
Hey.
Hi. Jimmy
How
told me
are
to come
you?
film you.
Why?
What do you
Because I
mean,
told him I'd be here at 8:45.
It's not even 8:45. It's 8:46. First of all.
I was here at 8:44.
Yeah, we didn't see you.
Hey, how are you?
What do you think?
It's so clean.
We just watched
You know
it.
what I was gonna say? You didn't do your like first thing.
Stickers?
Yeah.
Well, I literally just got off the trailer and washed it.
It's so cute.
Why are you
what
rushing
do you think
us?
about it, fellow RJ?
I like it a lot.
Look at the interior. Hold on, come on.
It's so, I already
on the driver's
walked.
side.
I already looked inside.
Oh, you ruined it.
Why?
How was you not supposed
I
to see it
told
when
you
you pulled
I'd
up?
be
I
here.
know.
I know, it's so
Steph,
nice.
it's a 6-speed.
Is it?
Yeah. Look how much metallic is in the paint. There's like purple in it.
I know, I saw it. I love it. It's like the FD. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, Tuck.
Get her, Tuck. Get her.
We're good. This is the first time Lizzie has ever been on a lift before. It's at least under my possession.
You should change the oil on it.
Shit. This is literally the first time I've ever been under the Z, not on my back.
Ditto.
That's sick. I need to get rid of these, open her up a little bit. But here's my exhaust leak right here. Gasket from up front. You know what sucks about the exhaust leak? It's sick. I can't believe I've never scraped the oil pan. This thing's so low. Nice. Nice. Steph, why is your hair in my engine bay?
Because it's everywhere.
How long do you think it's been in there for?
What were you guys doing under the car?
Don't worry about it, RJ. I'll drive for the first time, Steffi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. What do you think?
Yes. Look how purple this thing looks.
And then we gotta take it off. Oh, it's so cute.
Look how purple this thing is. Isn't that crazy?
You think
That is
so?
a very confusing color.
Oh, that is.
His head. Purple as heck.
It's really clean.
Right, isn't it?
Like there's nothing wrong with it.
You know, I told you how many miles are on it, right?
How many are there?
33,000.
Really?
Yeah. It's missing a few things.
It's a little empty. It's shaved, right? Is that how it's supposed to be?
No, just I have a big box of parts in the truck. Yeah, these things, these are so cool.
Now I want RJ's floor mats.
Okay.
Can we steal those?
Yeah.
Even the dash though. In here, it's like perfect. Is that a an aftermarket radio? Am I gonna assume the Bose one, or is that?
No, that's a factory radio. How nice is that?
Is it gonna be all Japanese and stuff?
Look how cool this
It looks
is.
so nice to be like.
I know. I don't even want to change it out. That looks so nice. What did you find that you love?
They have cup holders, and you don't have to just buy a freaking aftermarket thing.
Yeah, that shit was $30.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, you got two of them.
Boop.
Oh, there's a disc in it.
What is that?
Nelly.
No, it's not.
Why? I swear to God, there's a Nelly CD in here.
Nelly.
Oh my
Oh,
God. Let's see what happens.
Hit it.
Girl, ain't nothing know I hit you last night. I was all over your body, girl.
Fun fact, Adam LZ loves Nelly. I swear to God. Ask him about it. Wow, these speakers are really
They're really
nice.
nice.
That's gonna stop cutting out.
Go all the way up.
Gentlemen, we want to welcome everybody.
She hits. Yeah, so as you can see, the motor is just kind of dropped in there. I don't think this is a JDM motor, because if it did, it's definitely a junkyard motor, because look, junkyard motors come with these.
It's numbered over here too.
Yeah, this definitely. So I think he sold the original motor that came in it, because which kind of blows. 'Cause I think the Japanese motor was a little bit better for some reason. I feel like they always are. I don't know. And it has an engine harness on it, which is even better. So, it's literally just bolted in there. Nothing's hooked up at all. Oh, the brake booster vacuum line, that's hooked up. So no drive shaft in it or anything. Like I said before, I have hopefully all the parts sitting in the back of the truck right now. I got the radiator, the hoses, and power steering, intake, and all that. But it's the only thing that's like fully missing is an exhaust. But that gives us a good excuse to throw an aftermarket exhaust on it. Or I mean, it's missing an ECU and a manifold, which means sounds like a really good time to put a turbo manifold on it and a mega squirt. I mean, that would sound pretty cool.
It's been like that. The theme for the last like ever.
I mean, you would like a turbo, wouldn't you?
That'd be fun. I drove RJ's car. Let's do that again.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not?
Can you handle the power?
Fuck.
Maybe CX will hook us up again. That would be actually pretty cool. So I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, it's
so cute.
That's about it. I mean, I can't get over at all how clean this car is. Like there's nothing, like there's just a few little dents and like one big scratch, and besides that, the car is like perfect. The interior is absolutely beautiful. This is only one generation different than the original NA Miata, and I can't get over how much like newer it feels. I got this car for such a deal. It is unreal, and I know Steffi's stupid excited.
I'm so excited.
All right, Steffi, I'm sorry if you like these, but I had to take them off. I think it looks way better already. B, what did we just take off?
We took off these. What do you want to call these?
I don't know. I think
Lens bezels.
I think it's cool just because like I don't know if they're rare enough, but I think it's cool because of it. But
You don't even need them now. The headlights, it's faded into existence.
We gotta buff these, but wow, that looks so much better.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, Steffi, I know you like it way better without it. What do you think of the car? It's really freaking nice, isn't it?
Honestly, I have the only thing I've looked at so far is this headlight, and that looks like shit right now. But other than that, let's take a peek here.
From the body guy.
Let's see. The paint looks to be very nice. I mean, for the most part, on quick inspection, it looks like it's definitely all original. And this side so far, no rust back here, nothing funny like that. How do you pop this thing?
Inside.
Look, it's upgraded from the NA model. It doesn't have that stupid thing that costs $1 million that everyone has broken.
You like the red clears? Pretty cool, right?
It is. I mean, yeah, this is pretty nice.
Glass window, which is sick. Look how nice the interior is.
Yeah, the interior's.
Isn't that crazy?
mint.
It's just like one gen newer.
Like literally, the only thing that's worn in this interior is the seat. Like that's it. Everything else looks like it's never been touched. Seems pretty nice. Door jambs are all clean, and the thing's been sitting for a while. Like that's pretty impressive. Somebody honestly cleaned this thing really well. Everything looks great. All the body lines are awesome. Like, this thing doesn't need to be touched,
which is so refreshing.
It's beautiful.
Steel.
Nice job, Jimmy. This is actually a really nice pickup. This is, I mean, look at the cowl on this thing. Have you washed it at all?
I sprayed it and wiped it down earlier because it was full of dirt.
This thing is super, super, super clean. I mean, never been in an accident, never been touched. It's probably never been taken apart. This thing is really nice.
Just because I want to, we're gonna. This plate frame is pretty cool. I guess not really. So I'm drilling out the rivets, and I'm hoping it doesn't look too bad with a couple little holes in here. I mean, it'll probably look a little bit better than having this big plate on there. Oh, it's not too bad at all. Alright, all it needs is a little wet sand and buff right there, and it should look perfect, but as you can tell, it's a little bit darker, but we could buff that out. Look at this thing. So much better already. Me and Brian got some random motivation, and we had to pull off my whole downpipe and everything to actually change this gasket. It blew out, so we put a new one in, but man, is that a pain in the ass. I made this exhaust piece on my back, and it was like the first time I ever made an exhaust speaker, even like welded anything, so it's not the perfect fit, so it's been a pain in the ass, but the Z will no longer have an exhaust leak. We end the video here. It's late. We're finishing up. I'm happy we got this done for the most part, but I know, like, I said it over a million times already. You probably guys are so annoyed by me, but I just can't get over how nice that car is. Definitely am not in the position to buy another car right now, but I got it for such an unreal deal, and it's perfect timing because Steffi really deserves a better car. So I think it'd be fun to sell her Miata now and just take all that money we get from it and put it directly into this car. I think it'd be pretty cool. So I don't know what to say. If you guys are stoked on the car, let me know. That'd be really cool. But tomorrow we're gonna actually go pick up the parts for the GTI. Finally got approved for them, and that's a huge deal. So we can start working on the GTI, and then once that's done, maybe we could even work on the Miata. So end the video here. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Happy haul.
Have an awesome night, guys.